Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best saree covers with zippers available in the market, the SOLSTICE cotton saree bags. The SOLSTICE saree bags are made of high-quality 250 GSM durable cotton material, making them perfect for storing your precious sarees, dresses, lehengas, and other outfits. The fabric is soft and ensures that your clothes are well taken care of. These saree covers come with a zip closure with a metal runner, ensuring easy access to your clothes. The stitching is done by trained women and the thread used matches the fabric color, adding to the durability of the bags. The bags are 16 by 14 inches in size, and each package contains 12 units, providing ample space for your clothes. The mesh window at the bottom allows you to see through, and the double-layer mesh ensures long-term use. The saree bags are washable and reusable, making them eco-friendly. Simply use mild detergent and avoid hot water for washing. After washing, iron the bags for a fresh look. Overall, the SOLSTICE cotton saree bags are a must-have for organizing your wardrobe and keeping your clothes in pristine condition. That's it for today's review of the SOLSTICE cotton saree bags. If you're looking for the best saree covers with zipper, look no further than these high-quality bags. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.